Salutations, my name is Default, and today I'm going to play Kirby Superstar Ultra. Last time I beat Spring Breeze. Now, to follow the order, I'm gonna beat Dynablade, which is 3 stars harder than Spring Breeze, so might be challenging. Dynablade has disrupted the crops. There must be a reason, but first, this has to stop. 5 stages of adventure await. Perfect your copy and helper skills. Damn, that is a big feather. Oh, let's begin. Ignore what just happened right there when I got hit 2 times by Sir Kibble. Right now the important thing is that these guys are gonna die by my father. Parasol. What? I wanted Parasol. Give me Parasol. No. I wanted Parasol. Die. Parasol. Please. Parasol. Yeah. Do I prefer Parasol over arguably a better attack that has range? Because Parasol is Parasol. Food. It's delicious. It also heals you for some reason. Even though in real life that doesn't happen. But I mean, we live in a world where this pink small thing can eat many things, so it doesn't necessarily need to be realistic at all. But I now feel dumb for saying the obvious thing. Oh well. Wow, Kirby's furious. I mean, you can see just how quickly he strikes with that sword of it. Even though it really isn't his, he stole it. What? Since when could Circuable attack diagonally? Do I die? Yep, I have to die to progress. F Kawasaki. Time to kill the cook. It's cooking time. Wow, that was pathetic. And for stage 2. Okay, so what I'll do with parasols, give me parasol. Noted. Die. What? Meta Knight. Uh, well, they are really a pushover with the parasol. Easy. Kirby, stop. You're supposed to kill them, not wait a long time before killing them. Oh, a bomber. Hurry. Stop taking too long to kill your prey. Wait, mirror. I love mirror. Kill a friend who then kill a friend, and then get a mirror, and with mirror, kill everyone. No! My ability. Oh no. Please. Look, that was quite close. Also, I just realized the name of this level is Mallow Castle. Just like Mallow from Mario RPG, if you know what I mean. I need to try out new ability, so I will have to kill Mirror. Wheel. Wheel is fast, Wheel is fun. Can Wheel jump? I don't know. All I know is that it is fun to use. Ooh, bonkers. Absorption. And now I have Hammer. With Hammer, I can hammer stuff, I guess. Goated. 3 1-ups. Nice. I'll take 1-up. E. Fight. Ooh, Spider. Okay, why does Spider have so much rain? Why? I mean, look at that! Poor Knuckle Joe did not stand a chance. Kill. Kirby, you must kill everything you see. especially those bombs. Oh, hold up. I would like plasma. This is why you love plasma. Either quick attack, charge attack, or hyper charge attack. Like that. Okay, maybe plasma was not the right decision for this part of the level. Okay, can you die? Can you die? Thank you. Rock. The reason why I'm gaining so many abilities so quickly is because I want to try all of them out. Except for sleep. Sleep sucks. Jojo, wait, Jojo. No, I want my Jojo. Give me my Jojo. No! Maybe it will respawn? Maybe? Okay, it respawns. It's good to know. I mean, it's good to know that they can respawn. Or it. I don't know that Jojo's gender. Nor its pronouns. Mostly because I'm pretty sure they never told you the pronouns of most of the characters in video games. Especially the common enemies. Oh well. Yep, this game had some weird obsession with having mostly melee attacks have a lot of range. Oh, Buxy. Not one from Pokemon. Oh, nice no hit. Would you love to see it? Well, I mean, maybe. I don't know. The thing is, I am now suplex. Wow, Kirby's a demon in this game. Kirby, you shouldn't dance for failing miserably. Man, my Candy Mountain. Oh, wait, that's where this song comes from. Give me your powers. If you sleep, I will not attack you. I mean, I did attack you. I mean, I will not absorb you. You don't deserve to be sucked by the mighty fire. Why did I say attack back there? Pretty sure I already said so, but I am very stupid. I don't know if I should be happy about that or concerned. Probably both. Yeah, I think I should just go in there. And I'll kill the bird accidentally. Ignite those two guys on fire. Now I'm gonna kill Burning Leo. Does bird respawn? Bird? Bird? Bird respawns. Bird does respawn. And bird flies. Well, obviously, but I mean flies. And it shoots. And it does not fly underwater for very obvious reasons. Where am I supposed to go? No, I guess I need to go there. I am avoiding that part entirely. So that guy that has the copy ability. If it sounds redundant, that's because it is. I do want the copy ability though, so there we go, copy. Why can copy do that? It's supposed to be that copy ability. Now those guys, Tack I think they're called, they're supposed to be ultra annoying. Nice, I have Crash now. Oh, Crash! What the fuck? No! It wasn't supposed to happen. Why did it not grab? I guess it's time for the copy ability again. I said copy ability, not invincible candy ability. And that is not really an ability anyways. So I just can like wait until the ability finishes or... Now with the copy ability, I just traverse carefully. I just want my Crash ability, that's all I want, that's all I ask for. Fuck. Please, I only need to find one damn attack. Like, only one of them. All I'm asking for- yes! Now, be smart. Go down. Let it respawn, then go up and up. Oh, damn. Why can I not? I thought my copy ability was gone. Needless to say, I am not leaving until I finally get Crash, which I just got, so... time to leave. For real this time. Okay, that did not count. Good. Microphone guy, which I don't care about. I just want to get this level done with. Please, can I get this level done with? That's all I want. I don't care for stupid Mike now. All I need is to get out of this. Please. Why do I hear boss music? Please no. Yeah, was either that or soft lock. I hate that guy now. Oh, Bonkers. Bonkers, what are you planning to do? Your nuts have nothing against me, Bonkers. Ah. Are you ever going to try to attack me or... Thank you. Yes. Please die. Thank you for dying. I appreciate it a lot. Oh, there's another one. Great. Wonderful. Final level, Dynablade's Nest. I suppose it is the final level, because it is Dynablade's Nest. I mean, Dynablade. So I should be fighting Dynablade now. Or there is something similar. I don't know. Yep, Dynablade. Wow, it's a big bird. How do I kill? Ouch. Rude. Bye bye. Proceeds to push them off the cliff. Or well, that would be another story. But Kirby is a good being, so he won't do that for obvious reasons. Look at the meat. The apples. There in the distance, the Dynablade that we just beat up mercilessly. To be continued. And that's the end of this video. Default signing out.